For those who have been following me, you by now you know that I recently recommended rebuilding engine, changing the rings when engine started burning oil. However, I also want to point out the ideal thing to do, especially if you can afford it, is to replace both the rings and pistons. The reason why I recommend changing both rings and pistons for those who can afford it is these grooves, the piston grooves here. Over time or sometimes the gap might widen. So when you put the rings, it'll be dangling inside it, so you won't be able to seal off these holes. We call it piston grooves. So oil will still pass through it, will enter and pass through it. So it won't be, the rings will not be tight enough. But with the new pistons, of course, every place will be sealed off. So when you put new rings on the new pistons, you'll be able to seal off the entire place. So that's my recommendation. I understand that changing both the rings and pistons will cost you more, but if you can, it makes more sense, and it's better for the engine if you can. Of course, it's better you put a new one, not use pistons. I always go for new pistons, a good quality one. Of course, this one is convert, so this is what I mean. Unless if your converts have problem like here and there, when your engine start burning oil, I realize that it's not from the valve seal. Or even if you just have this thing, the ideal thing to do is replace piston and the rings, as long as your cylinder walls or cylinder balls or sleeves, or what you call piston liners, are in good conditions. They're not worn out that badly. Of course, if there's any other issue, maybe, but these days the newer engines, they hardly have issues on the crankshaft, the bearings, unless maybe you are using bad oil, or you are running your engine, racing your engine when they are cold, or may abuse your cooling system that may affect the oil quality or degrade it faster. And there are so many factors that can affect the crankshaft. So other than that, oil burn, this thing, just change the piston and rings, um, valve stem cells, if possible as well, the PCV valves, and that's it. You should be able to hold it for a very long time before the oil burn may start or may never start again throughout your ownership of the vehicle. Okay, that's all.